Drones have brought our dreams to life, helping us explore marvels of the world that were previously off-limits or too dangerous for humans to venture. In many instances, these drones have captured images and videos of landscapes that were entirely unknown, revealing secrets hidden in the most remote corners of the world. The startling discoveries make us wonder what else might be hidden from our sight, just waiting to be unearthed. Join us as we reveal 10 chilling drone discoveries. No one is supposed to see this. Number 10. Nazi bunkers. Drones just uncovered a chilling piece of history flying over the dense forests of Poland. In the Lower Silesia and Masurian Lakes regions, these drones found hidden Nazi bunkers from World War II. These bunkers have been concealed for decades by overgrown vegetation, but now they offer a glimpse into one of the darkest periods of human history. Many of these uncovered bunkers were part of the Ostwall, a vast defensive system constructed by the Nazis to hold back the advancing Soviet forces. As these structures were discovered, we learn of the physical remnants of the war and the tragic, human stories tied to them. The interiors of the bunkers, though crumbling and decayed, still bear the marks of the soldiers who once lived and fought within their walls. A collection of wartime artifacts inside these bunkers was uncovered by drones. These include weaponry, personal items, and documents that have lain undisturbed for decades. Among the most intriguing finds are detailed maps, tactical plans, and coded messages that shed light on the strategic and logistical operations of the Nazi military system. These documents provide invaluable insights into the tactics used during the war, offering historians a deeper understanding of how the conflict was waged from these hidden outposts. For historians and archaeologists, the discovery of these bunkers is a significant find. The artifacts and documents unearthed within them provide a unique and palpable link to World War II, offering priceless insights into the daily operations and strategies of the Nazi regime. Number 9. Secret Pink Lake. Did you know there is a place where the water isn't the usual blue, but a striking shade of pink? This seemingly fantastical scene is a reality at Lake Hillier, a hidden wonder located on Middle Island, off the coast of Western Australia. From above, specifically from a drone's perspective, this remarkable lake appears as a vivid splash of cotton candy pink, set against the deep blue of the surrounding ocean, creating a truly surreal landscape. The secret behind Lake Hillier's enchanting color lies in its unique ecosystem. The lake has an exceptionally high salt concentration. This is as a result of the island's arid climate and rapid evaporation rates. These salty conditions create the perfect environment for certain microorganisms to thrive. Among them are Dunaliella salina algae and halobacteria, both of which produce a reddish pigment. It's this pigment that gives the lake its distinct pink color. What's even more fascinating is that this vibrant color remains consistent year-round. Whether the water is in the lake itself or scooped into a glass, the pink hue stays the same. This consistency has drawn the attention of scientists who are eager to understand the lake's unique properties. By studying the microorganisms that inhabit Lake Hillier, researchers hope to gain insights into how life adapts to extreme environments. Some even speculate that these findings could help in the search for extraterrestrial life, as the organism's resilience might mirror conditions on other planets. Although Lake Hillier is a protected area and not easily accessible to the general public, modern drone technology has allowed us to experience its beauty from a unique perspective. Drones flying over the island capture stunning images of the lake's pink waters, contrasting sharply with the emerald green forests and the endless blue of the ocean. Number 8. The Giant Blue Eye of Africa. The Giant Blue Eye of Africa, also known as the Richat structure or the Eye of the Sahara, is a remarkable geological feature that mesmerizes all who see it. Through the lens of drone technology, this natural formation resembles an enormous eye, with a nearly perfect circular shape and concentric rings spreading outward from its center. The size and distinctiveness of the eye make it visible even from space, a stark proof of its grandeur. Located in the heart of the Sahara Desert, the Richat structure stands out as an otherworldly masterpiece etched into the barren landscape. Drone footage of the area reveals its symmetrical patterns and the intricate details of its vast formation, offering a closer look at this incredible natural wonder. The almost perfect geometry of the structure has led to a lot of speculation about its origins. Initially, some thought it might have been created by the impact of a meteorite, given its round shape, while others considered the possibility of it being a volcanic formation. However, the absence of volcanic materials in the area has ruled out the latter theory. Today, the most widely accepted explanation is that the Richat structure was formed by the gradual erosion of a prehistoric granite dome. Over millions of years, natural forces like wind and water slowly wore down the rock, creating the layered circular patterns we see today. Each ring represents a different layer of rock, eroded at varying rates, giving rise to the structure's distinctive appearance. The precise separation of these rings from the central peak adds to the structure's appeal, making it a site of both scientific interest and natural beauty. Geologists find the Richat structure particularly fascinating because it provides a unique window into Earth's geological past. The exposed rock layers offer valuable insights into the processes of sedimentation, uplift, and erosion that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Despite the advances in our understanding of the Richat structure, it remains a mysterious and captivating site. Its exact geometric arrangement challenges our understanding of natural formations, leaving scientists and curious minds in awe of this extraordinary feature. Number 7. The aftermath of a tsunami. In September 2018, a powerful 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck the island of Sulawesi in Indonesia, leading to a catastrophic tsunami that devastated the city of Palu. This disaster caused waves to reach up to 20 feet high, severely impacting the area. In the immediate aftermath, drone footage captured the full extent of the saddening destruction. The tsunami's impact was dire. Over 4,300 lives were lost, and the city was left in ruins. The waves not only destroyed buildings, but also caused the ground to become heavily saturated with water. This led to widespread mudslides, compounding the damage and making recovery efforts even more challenging. The drone images provided a clear view of the devastation. Bridges were left in ruins, homes were reduced to rubble, and large sections of the city remained submerged underwater. Indeed, no one was supposed to see this. The footage revealed how the disaster had transformed the landscape, making it evident just how severe the impact was. The drone's perspective was crucial in documenting the scale of the disaster, helping both in the immediate response and in planning for long-term recovery efforts. Number 6. The Guyu Cave. Nestled into the rugged cliffs of the Jundu Mountains, not far from Beijing, the Guyu Caves is an evidence of ancient ingenuity. This expansive network, which includes over 110 interconnected stone chambers, is believed to date back more than 1,000 years. Despite their age, these caves continue to captivate historians and archaeologists with their complexity and mystery. The Guyu Caves are notable for their sophisticated design, featuring a carefully arranged set of rooms, windows, and stone beds. This suggests that the people who built these caves had a well-organized and possibly advanced society. However, the exact purpose of the caves and the identity of their builders remain unclear. Some theories propose that the caves might have served as a fortified military outpost, while others suggest they could have been a refuge for persecuted groups. Recent advances in technology, especially the use of drones, have provided new insights into this ancient site. High-resolution aerial surveys have uncovered hidden chambers and previously unknown pathways, giving researchers a more detailed view of the cave's structure and extent. These new findings offer the potential for a deeper understanding of the Guyu Caves and the mysterious people who once inhabited them. Number 5. The Door to Hell. A fiery pit that has been burning for decades lies in the remote deserts of Turkmenistan. It is known as the Door to Hell. This extraordinary crater, located in a vast natural gas field, has captivated the imagination of its visitors and even scientists. Despite its ominous name, the story behind this perpetual blaze is as intriguing as the site itself. The origins of the Door to Hell trace back to 1971, when a Soviet oil rig accidentally collapsed into the ground while drilling in the area. The collapse opened up a crater that began releasing dangerous amounts of methane gas into the atmosphere. To prevent the spread of these toxic gases, a geologist on the site decided to ignite the gas, believing that the flames would burn out within a few weeks. However, what was intended as a temporary solution has turned into a spectacle that has lasted for over half a century and is still burning strong. The crater, which measures about 76 meters wide, has been burning continuously ever since. Fueled by the rich natural gas reserves beneath the surface, the flames, which never cease, have created a surreal scene in the middle of the desert, resembling a volcano with its intense, relentless heat. Visitors who venture to the edge of the crater describe the experience as both mesmerizing and overwhelming. The roar of the flames can be heard from a distance, day or night, and the heat is so intense that standing too close feels like staring into the depths of the earth. Drone technology has made it easier to appreciate this spectacle. The edges of the crater are lined with thousands of small flames that dance across the surface, while two large flames burn fiercely at the bottom, likely marking the spot where the drilling rig once stood. The sight of these unearthly flames has earned the crater its nickname, as it truly feels like a gateway to another world. Number 4. The Spring That Breathes. The Spring That Breathes, located near Afton, Wyoming, is an extraordinary natural feature renowned for its unique flow pattern. It's the largest spring in the world, and it doesn't fail to captivate visitors with its intermittent water cycle. This fascinating spring operates on a 15 to 20-minute rhythm of flowing and stopping. The secret behind this natural wonder lies in a complex underground system that creates a siphon-like effect. When the water in a subterranean reservoir reaches a certain level, it triggers a powerful release of water from the spring. The eruption is a striking display of nature's power. As the water level falls below the threshold, the flow stops, and it begins again once the reservoir refills, creating a continuous and mesmerizing cycle. To truly capture the beauty and dynamic flow of the spring that breathes, drones have become an invaluable tool. Aerial footage provides insights into the spring's rhythmic behavior and the geological processes behind it. This bird's-eye view enhances our understanding of the spring's ecological significance and the natural forces at play. Number 3. Primitive tribe discovered recently. A recent drone discovery has shed light on a remarkable find deep within the Amazon rainforest. The drone uncovered a previously unknown prehistoric community, completely isolated from the modern world. This discovery was made by Brazil's Indigenous Affairs Agency during an expedition near the Juruá River. This agency is dedicated to locating such remote villages and ensuring their protection and cultural preservation. Before this drone discovery, archaeologists had found artifacts like stone axes and traditional canoes that hinted at the existence of a solitary tribe. However, it was the drone that provided the first comprehensive aerial views of their community. The drone's images revealed that the tribe had cleared a section of forest, built homes, and cultivated crops. These photos showed a community that seems to be thriving in its seclusion, intentionally avoiding contact with the outside world to protect themselves from potential diseases and other harmful influences. This tribe is likely one of many isolated groups in Brazil, with estimates suggesting there are about 70 such tribes. Each new discovery about these tribes enhances our understanding of their unique cultures and highlights the importance of technology, such as drones, in safeguarding their way of life. Number 2. The Mishan Grottos. Located in China's Gansu province, the Mishan Grottos are ancient cave dwellings known for their detailed Buddhist sculptures and murals. These historic sites, preserved for over 1,600 years, are situated on steep cliffs, making them difficult to access and protect. In recent years, however, drones have become essential for safeguarding these valuable treasures. Since they can reach areas that are challenging for humans to access, they've been used to capture high-resolution images of the grottos. This has allowed experts to closely monitor the condition of the site, detecting early signs of erosion and damage. Drones also help assess the impact of external factors such as weather and human activity on the grottos. A significant example of the drone's role in preservation occurred in 2018. During that year, a drone made a chilling discovery. detecting signs of an impending landslide caused by heavy rainfall. Thanks to the drone's early warning, authorities were able to take preventative measures and avert a potential disaster. Number 1. The Cave of Horror. The Cave of Horror lies deep in the Judean desert of Israel, near the shores of the Dead Sea. It is a place rich in history and mystery. This cavern is known for its dramatic past, as it was once used as a hideout by Jewish rebels in the 2nd century during their failed revolt against Roman rule. The cave's remote location makes it accessible only through a challenging climb, adding to its air of secrecy. However, drones have proven a solution to this problem. During an extraordinary archaeological expedition, researchers uncovered a treasure trove of ancient artifacts inside the cave. Ancient parchments written in Greek were among its most remarkable finds. These texts are believed to be translations of the books of Nahum and Zechariah from the Minor Prophets, a collection of prophetic books in the Bible. Interestingly, the only Hebrew inscription discovered was the sacred name of God, highlighting the religious significance of the site. In addition to these writings, the team found a collection of rare coins from the period of the Jewish revolt. They also unearthed the mummified remains of a child, estimated to be around 6,000 years old. The child was buried in a fetal position, wrapped in a blanket that covered the head and chest, but left the legs exposed. Like that was not enough, the team also discovered an exceptionally well-preserved basket, dating back approximately 10,000 years. This basket, along with the other artifacts, provides a fascinating glimpse into the past and emphasizes the cave's role as a repository of ancient history. Which of these drone discoveries shocked you the most? Let's hear from you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like our video, subscribe, and check out another of our interesting videos before you leave. See you on the other side.